Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use CapCut PC. So I'll just show you a few things about this app. So here I'm just going to split it here, and I'll add in like an animation here, like an in animation. There's a few free ones, but there's also a few pro features in this app. So I'll just do the, where's the shake bottom one? I'll do this one. And make sure the duration is not that long. Here you can add in a text, like so. And I'm just going to type in shake. You can change the font here as well. And you can add in an outline to that by scrolling down and adding a stroke here. And changing the colors here. You can also use this color picker to select that. And you can even add an animation to that text as well. And you can also add in filters, some video effects, like this edge glow one maybe. You can adjust the glow here. You can add in filters as well in the section. But that's pretty much how you can use CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.